Hello, folks. Welcome to Hands-On History. I'm Nancy Pennington, Coordinator of Youth and Family Programs here at the North Carolina Museum of History. Today we're going to be doing some looking, some thinking, and some making, and having some fun. Look closely and take a moment to think about what you see. What do you notice? What do you wonder? What do these things remind you of? Kids in the Ship family of Durham played with this store-bought wooden doll furniture around 1930. This chair is hand-carved and it really rocks. This is a puzzle and mini furniture in one. Someone took cigar boxes and made something different out of them. A toy dresser and a mirror. So you could make some miniature furniture of your own. For example, perhaps a table with some spaghetti sauce on it. Spaghetti sauce. Maybe a clothes closet with some miniature hangers and clothing. What do you think that is? You could weave yourself a paper rug. Maybe make a fireplace. This is what you can use some macaroni for. Well, maybe a bathroom sink, complete with mirror. Bottle cap. Drinking straw. Okay. Now, what are some of the supplies you could use? Well, your trusty pencil, ruler, some paper, either figured paper or plain. I have some scrapbook paper here, scissors, glue stick, straw, pipe cleaners, little bits and pieces of everything. You never know what might come in handy. Maybe some markers and some colorful tape. You can really use anything. Let your imagination go. So I'm going to show you how I made the table. So first thing you do is you decide how big you want your table and your tablecloth to be. So I decided I wanted my tablecloth to be about the size of this small container. So that's what I do. So I draw a line around and I'd cut that out. And what do you know? I have a piece already cut out, so I'll use that. And then, using tag board or serial board, I would use a smaller piece for the tablecloth, not the tablecloth, the tabletop itself. Let's cut that out as well. So I have these two. And my glue stick. Let's glue one to the other. Making sure I glue it pretty well. Stick that down. There we go. The bottom, top. I want to make it look like my tablecloth is laying down on the edges, falling down over the edges of my tablecloth, of my table. So I've got my table and my tablecloth, but it's missing something, isn't it? So here's the base for my table, and if I wanted to, I could cover it with paper. I could color it. I could use washi tape or colored tape to wind around it to make a nice bright base. I'm going to leave it plain right now. You never know when you might need some tape. Tape comes in so handy. Put some tape on this side. And tape it down. And I put tape on the other side. And tape that down. And there's my table. If I didn't like the height, of course I could cut it down shorter. I can't make it taller. Now, I could probably, of course I could add, let's see, let's add a plate. I want it to be about that big. It can be a very fancy plate. Not quite a circular plate, but that's okay. So I have my plate. And I just need something to put in the center and see what I will put there. I think, you know what? I think I'm going to make spaghetti again. That's nice and easy. So here's my sauce. And I wonder what will happen if I put, my green, my meatballs. I could use brown, but I don't have brown. So there are my meatballs. It looks a little bit like pizza too. A little bit more the glue stick. And on it goes. You could, of course, put other plates around. You could make some chairs to fit. So now I have my table, fireplace, bathroom sink with mirror, clothes closet with a shirt inside, and a rug. What kind of mini furniture will you make? You want to know more? Make more? Visit History at Home at our website, ncmuseumofhistory.org. See you next time on Hands on History.